Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Kids, today we will read an Islamic learning course, Dua when waking up. This means when we will wake up, and daily we wake up, and after waking up we will read this dua. And first we will read in Arabic, and after that we will translate in English. And today all of you will read with me, but Adila Sharif will come here and she will read here. But first you will read all together over there, and after that I will call her here. Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alhamdu Lillahilladhi
Lillahilladhi
Ahyana Ba'da Ma amatana Wa ilayhin nushur. Okay, now Adila Sharif, you come here and you will read after me. Alhamdu Lillahilladhi Ahyana Ba'dama Amatana Wa ilayhin nushur. One time more. Alhamdu Lillahilladhi Ahyana Ba'dama Amatana Wa ilayhin nushur. Now we will do translation in English. First is word Alhamdu. This means all praise, all praises. Lillah, for Allah. All praise is to Allah, for Allah. Alladhi, who. Ahyana. You know already in Islamic learning course we did already translation of Noon Zabar and Na. This means us. We, our us, mostly its meaning is us. Us. Baad mean after. Ahya, it means life, waking up. Meaning, all praise is for Allah who gave us life. Who gave us life. This means who woke us up. Who gave us life mean who woke us up. Bada mean after. Ma amatana, and here is na mean our us, we our us. Amat mean death. After our causing to die mean after making us sleep. Die mean sleep. Wa and ilayhi, to him, unto him mean unto Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Him mean Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nushur, resurrection, gathering. This means all praise is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who gave us life, mean who woke up, who woke us up after our death, mean after making sleep, after making us sleep. And unto him mean to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala we will go to together. We will go to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and we will go to together on the day of resurrection. Basically, the sleeping basically is death. Sleeping is death basically. And every morning when we wake up, this means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us life again and every day. And basically this is the thanks for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When we wake up, this means we give to thank to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And now one time I will translate in Urdu. तमाम तारीफें अल्लाह के लिए हैं जिसने हमें जिंदगी दी हमारी मौत के बाद और उसी की तरफ लौटकर जाने वाले हैं। कि तमाम तारीफें अल्लाह के लिए हैं जिसने हमें उठने की तौफीक दी, जागने की तौफीक दी, जिसने हमें दोबारा जिंदगी दी यानी कि जागने की तौफीक दी हमारी नींद के बाद, और हम उसी की तरफ लौटकर जाने वाले हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह जब आप इसको बार बार याद करेंगे तो याद हो जाएगी, तो फिर हम हर रोज़ इसको जागने के बाद पढ़ा करेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।